Our specialty is croissants. We do sweet, savory, we also shape them into danishes, and then a classic French baguette.
I think that we were originally here to talk about cookies, but suddenly I want to talk about other things.
Our goal today is to cook 3 trays of cookies at one time, have them be perfectly even, and show folks why the convection mode in the Wolf electric oven is the ultimate mode.
Convection is the secret to pastry. And the reason is because the heat isn't radiating from the bottom. So the bottom of your pan isn't getting hot first, baking the cookie on top second.
My favorite cookie has just a little bit of brown around the edge and soft in the middle. A perfectly cooked chocolate chip cookie.
Most ovens, all the heat comes from the bottom of the oven. You put in 3 trays of cookies, and the bottom one gets most of the heat.
Sometimes people open the oven and start shifting trays of cookies around to try to get them to cook even.
It just makes it very difficult when it really should be very easy.
You can see it's lighter in color. Increase the volume a little bit. We're whipping some air into it.
There's a reason that we make a lot of chocolate chip cookies. They're pretty easy and they make people happy.
Of course, the more that you scrape off the beater, the less that you get to eat ahead of time.
There's dual convection in all of our ovens. The heat is produced in the back of the oven, and then those fans come on, drawing that hot air over the heating elements and mixing it around immediately.
Well, we're going to pop these in the fridge for about 25 minutes or so, and after that we'll put them in the oven.
The idea is that I can do 3 trays of cookies at the same time, and they all come out exactly the same without having to shift the trays around.
They should be done now, and they look beautiful.
The convection mode is going to let you have your cookie recipe come out exactly the way that you want it every time.
Nice brown around the edge, crisp on the outside, soft in the middle. That is a perfect cookie.